Okay, just found out that I was talking for a long time and I was not recording. Really, really stressful. But anyways, sorry for the fireworks, by the way. Merry Christmas. So anyways, let's just go over this trade. Let me delete this. It doesn't even need to be this loud. But anyways, on the daily, I saw price was buying. Okay. Uh, I saw price was buying. Price was using here as support. As you can see, price did give us an indication that it can sell below this level. So I just kept that in mind. Price had not broken. Hold on. Price had not broken structure yet, so there was no need for me to just sell when price is at this level. So I just kept that back in my head, right? So we had the real indication over here. This was the real indication. Showed us that yeah, price has broken structure and it validates this that price sells below this level, right? So I went to the 4 hour to see if the market structure was looking clean, like if it was clean, and it just did not look that clean, to be honest. It didn't look that clean. Although at the time I saw it, it didn't look clean to me. But right now, this just looks like a support level that was holding all the way up until here. As you can see, price broke it here. But let me just show you what I saw that time. At the time, I saw price was not holding. Sorry, price was holding until here. This is a higher low. Yeah, this is what I saw. This is a higher low being broken. Excuse me. Yeah. So this is a higher low being broken. Alright, so now I'm pretty sure that this high is going to be my lower high on the higher time frame. So price, I don't want to see price getting above this. If price gets above this, then this is definitely not a downtrend anymore. So yeah, price didn't. But price got up here though. I know I didn't take the trade yet. Price got up all the way here and I was a bit skeptical. But then when it broke again, I started seeing rejections, rejections, rejections. So that was a bit clear. You know what I mean? That price is definitely not going to break. So I still waited though. Yeah, I waited a bit. And then I saw this uptrend right here. Yeah, because this support held a bit. Yeah, this support held a bit. And then I was seeing more higher lows, higher lows. This one still held up until here though. Yeah, this held up until here. So this was more confirmation. The way I trade, I don't just jump into trades. Like I just wait for confirmations all the time. It doesn't even need to be on the 5 minute. On the 1 hour, if you look at it daily first, on the 1 hour, the confirmation is gonna be there. The market structure is gonna change, it's gonna shift, everything's gonna align, and then you can actually jump into your trade. So yeah, I saw this, right? And then I used the 15 minutes. Yeah, I used the 15 minute and this was more confirmation as well. Yeah, this was more confirmation. So this was the 1 hour. Let me just give it a bit. This was 1 hour support. Support being broken. Right. This is also another 1 hour. Yeah. Right here. 1 hour support being can type. Okay. Support being broken. And then this was daily support being broken. Yeah. No, support being broken. My bad. Broken. Yeah. So from here, this is where I took the trade. Yeah, and then my stop loss was above this level right here. As you can see, like when you keep trading, right, you understand like how to know the lower highs, my bad, the lower highs on swing level without actually having to go to the higher time frame because you don't know that this, you know what I mean, you know that these are levels where price should not go above since we're in the obvious downtrend. So these are lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. You get what I mean? So yeah, this is just what price is doing. So I was comfortable putting my stop loss here because I knew that this is a downtrend and price. I don't want to see price go above this, right? So I targeted the end of the indication, which is this right here. Yeah, that was what I targeted. Yeah, and of course, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the before, so it doesn't look like I just hop on the charts, and then once we're done, I just show you, and just be like, oh yeah, I did this, I did that, I did that. Just delete all of this so my chart looks better. Yeah, I'll show you. So this is what it looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure price is gonna hit TP. I'm pretty sure, but I don't want to try and predict the market. I'm just gonna do what the market does. Sorry, I'm just gonna trade what the market does. What it gives me, and then I hope for the best. Yeah, let me just show yeah, let me show the before of the trade. Yeah, I think this is the screenshot. This was the before of the trade. Yeah, this is the 15 minute when I've already analyzed everything. Then this is on the 4 hour before price had even started selling. This was it. And then on the 15 minute as well. This is what price is looking. So I'm looking for price to get to what's that? 1.60650. So yeah, I could just set an alert there though. Instead of just constantly coming back. Well, I mean, at the same time, I definitely will. I think that's the same one. Yeah. So I will still be looking at the charts, obviously, because it's my money. It's the trade. I want to observe the trade, but at the same time, I just like to keep it like that. So just in case, and then I'm gonna call it TP, because that's what we're doing. So that's TP. This is also another level, right? Now price might not come back all the way here, so you might just want to go to your 15 minute or maybe 5 minute, and then track the trade. As you can see here, price is already holding support right here. So I won't be surprised if this high gets taken out. I won't be surprised. But anyways, I don't want to see price go above this. If price goes above this, then I would be looking maybe price is not bearish anymore. So I'll be looking for price to maybe come up a bit here, change structure. Then when the session opens, we're trading EURCAD, so I only have the London session open, and then when price opens and the market opens, my bad, and then London opens, I'll still be looking to sell if everything is aligning, of course. And yeah, that's pretty much how I took this trade, and yeah, God bless y'all.